Time to fill this up. We are going to mix up some black pigment here. Boom. Only need about 10 grams. Almost there. 12. That's good. So 47% on the Entropy resin. Extra fast hardener. So we're just going to call it 6 grams of hardener. Grab some black pigment. I need to mix this up. Super black. And I really don't need that much. A little bit goes a long way. Don't even need anything on it, just coated like this, it's enough. Watch that. So you can see that just blacks right out. Now I'm gonna add some, what I only have right now is 403 as my filler agent, the West System 403. Normally I only use this stuff when I'm putting in plugs to help keep the air bubbles away. But as I'm out of the other stuff, we're gonna use this. Keep adding. Oh, and I should put that lid back on before contaminants get in there. Gonna mix this until it's more or less solid. After I add the hardener, I'm gonna have to add some more again anyways to thicken it up again. It's probably good right now. Don't wanna make it too thick because I need to be able to keep it off the walls of the cup. So we want 6 grams of hardener. Could be that. Oh, that's 3. How about that? 6, perfect. Now we're gonna mix that for 2 minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 2 minutes.
Look outside. Smoky out there.
Perfect. It's actually not bad. It's a good paste. And then I'm just gonna press this in here. I don't need to mask this because I'm just gonna be sanding this area anyway when I put on the fiberglass cloth. Yeah, so we're just trying to fill that in. We'll just press it flush. Oops. That's my problem because I added a bit too much of the filler agent. But that'll work out okay. At least it's not gonna fall off the board now. Yeah, perfecto. Next is I'll just wipe that up. Is that in there? There we are. And underneath, yeah, we're good. All right, we'll let that set up and then sand it down flush.